Good morning to one and all. Innovation is seeing what everybody else has seen and thinking what nobody has thought. Today, the role that engineers play in integrating science and innovation towards nation building and sustainable development is truly remarkable. Good morning to one and all. Respected Principal Sir, dignitaries, eminent guests, faculty members, and all the budding engineers present here. I wish you all a happy Engineers Day. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all as we have gathered to celebrate Engineers Day today. Well, light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. Let us start this morning by offering our prayers to the Almighty and lighting the lamp in front of God. I now request Principal Sir and other dignitaries to light the lamp. शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदम् शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदम् शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपं ज्योति नमोऽस्तुते दीपं ज्योति नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योति परब्रह्म दीपज्योति जनार्दन दीपज्योति परब्रह्म दीपज्योति जनार्दन दीपो हस्तु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीप नमोऽस्तुते सन्ध्यादीप नमोऽस्तुते शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदम् शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदम् Well, now, let us have a quick glance on the significance of Engineers Day. Engineers Day in India is celebrated on the 15th of September every year, which marks the birth anniversary of India's most prolific civil engineer, dam builder, and statesman, Bharat Ratna Sir Mokshagundam Vishveshwaraya. More commonly known as Sir MP, he was born in 1861 in Mudanhalli village in Karnataka. His name is amongst one of the most prominent builders of India in the 20th century. He was the chief engineer involved in the construction of the Krishna Sagar Dam on the Kaveri River in Mysore, the largest reservoir in Asia of that time, which still continues to benefit lakhs of farmers and common people. He was also appointed to make the Hyderabad city flood proof and was also instrumental in developing a system to protect the Vishakhapatnam port from sea erosion. In 1915, he was knighted as the Knight Commander of the British Indian Empire by King George V for his contributions to the public good. After India attained independence, he was awarded with the nation's highest honor, the Bharat Ratna. In 1917, he established the Government Engineering College in Bengaluru, which was later named the University Vishveshwaraya College in his honor. Well, in this lineage of great engineers, we were blessed with a diamond whose work is still a source of inspiration and wonder for all. Moving further, I'd now request Dr. Vishal Singh Sir to share his thoughts on this occasion. Dr. Vishal Singh Sir is the principal of our institute, A.D. Patel Institute of Technology, CVM University, with an academic experience of over 21 years. With a background of mechanical and thermal engineering and a PhD received from IIT Delhi, he constantly strives for the better results of the institute and the holistic development of students. I now request Sir to acknowledge us.
A very good morning to one and all.
Good morning.
Dr. Hussain Mahadi, Head of Departments, faculty members, my dear students. 15th September today is being celebrated as Engineers Day all over the nation. And A.D. Patel Institute of Technology, situated in Anand, a constituent college of CVM University, is also joining in this national celebration. We are a college situated in Anand in the state of Gujarat. We have almost 120 acres plus integrated residential campus, having 8 different branches of engineering in undergraduate, 5 postgraduate courses, and offering PhD in engineering. The Engineers Day is being celebrated as gratitude to Sir Vishveshwaraya and to all the engineers who are constantly contributing and helping us to change our lives. We know before Industrial Revolution kicked in, the lives in rural areas across the world was full of misery. As the Industrial Revolution happened, things got available at lower rates and at right time. Whether it is textiles, transportation, things that got available changed the way we lived as human civilization. Advent of steam engine, electricity, telephony changed the way we were living our lives. Going further, increase in mobility, whether cars, aeroplanes, ships, and now perhaps space, are going to change the way the humanity is living. Advent of television, information technology, growth in computer science, and now for today's kids, the age of mobile revolution. The manner in which we are spending our time has totally transformed. So the technology has helped us to address many obstacles that the human race was facing. But at the same time, it has posed before us many challenges. There are issues related to sustainability of life. How do we use resources in a way which are sustainable and are not harming to our only earth? So this is the challenge and direction for the engineers of tomorrow. Whatever they plan, design in days to come, it must conform to a sustainable development and growth. On this day, society, the nation is paying gratitude to services offered by all the engineers who have made our life smooth and better. As engineers, it is important for us to recognize this fact and pledge our services for the betterment of the humanity. Technology can be creative and it can be destructive as well. We, as right-minded people, have to ensure that we contribute in a right way and help make this world a better place. So a very happy Engineers Day from A.D. Patel Institute of Technology to all the teachers, students, Dr. Hussain, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your insightful thoughts on this occasion. Well, it's time to introduce you all to our expert and chief guest of the day, Dr. Hussain Mahadi, as he will share his views on the future of engineering. Dr. Hussain Mahadi is a lecturer at Computer and Software Engineering Department, College of Engineering, University of DIYALA, Iraq. He has a background of electrical and electronics with an experience of nearly 2 decades. He has received his PhD from the University of Kebangsaan, Malaysia, and his Master of Science from the University of Technology, Baghdad, Iraq. He has published various papers in the DIYALA Journal of Engineering Sciences via IEEE and many other standalone journals, and has been cited many times for his contributions towards his domain. Apart from this, he has been actively volunteering in IEEE for more than 8 years now. He is currently a part of IEEE HAC Events Committee, IEEE Art and Humanitarian Technology Activities Committee, and IEEE PES YP Committee. His dedication and spirit of volunteering has brought him many laurels and awards, some of them being 2016 Darrell Chong Award for project entitled Asian School on Renewable Energy, Student Leadership Award, and Best Social Activity Award. Without no further ado, I would like to invite him to share his views and enlighten us.
Okay. I need your permission to share my screen.
Yes, sir, not a problem.
Okay. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Good morning, everyone, and happy Engineering Day. Thank you very much for your invitation. And really, I am proud to be an engineering. Okay. And I am so near from Indian culture because I visit India several times. Therefore, I know how much is a special day for everyone, 15th September. My talk will be in engineering the future in the post-COVID-19 era. My name is Dr. Hussain. I'm from College of Engineering, College of Engineering, University of DIYALA. Also, I am DIYALA Governor Advisor for a humanitarian project. I am effectively involved in several positions with IEEE Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. I am the person in charge about Power Energy Society and Professional Academic Lead. Also, the person in charge about the Student Chapter Power Energy Society in Region 10. And I am part from Region 10 Humanitarian Technology Activity Committee, also Humanitarian Activity Event Committee globally. Okay, you can see here is my office. As I mentioned, I am working as a personal advisor of my governor state. How we can reach this level, how we can improve ourselves, I will share with you my, my experience in the field of engineering. First of all, I just wanted to give some notes about IEEE, the world's largest professional association, Advanced Technology for Humanity, Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. We are more than 422,000 members across 160 countries over the world. We have more than 123,000 student members. And also we have more than almost 2,000 annual conference globally. Also we have technical impact. We have 4.5 million technical documents. You can find it online. 200 top cited journal. We have more than 1,300 active standards. We lead the innovation in the world. We have more than 49 technical society and consult. In the same time, for sure, we're looking for make some huge and invisible impact in the local community and in the world. Therefore, we have social impact. We are totally involved in public policy engagement, a global humanitarian effort, education and certification, ethics in technology. And this is very important, like what our hosts mentioned. Ethics is very important because our technology, maybe it can be positive, have positive or negative impact in our society and environment. Therefore, we need to be sure everything we work on it for the benefit of humanity should not harm our Mother Earth and in the same time the environment. And I like, what he mentioned about the challenging. We have a lot of challenging, especially in now after COVID-19 era. And the best thing in engineering, we look for the challenging as opportunity for innovation. Therefore, we love challenging, and it motivates us to doing more. The goals of IEEE drive global innovation through board collaboration and sharing of knowledge, enhance public understanding of engineering and technology in purpose standards for their practical application, be trusted source of educational service and resource to support lifelong learning, provide opportunity for career and professional development. And this is what we really focus on, because we believe that our students, they are the future of our society and the future of our organization. Inspire a worldwide audience by building communities that advance technical interest, inform public policy, and extend knowledge for the benefit of humanity. By the way, we leading the innovation to make the world better place to live. the core value of IEEE: trust, global community building, integrity in action, serve of humanity, partnership. We love to work as a team member with non-government organization, United Nations, government institute, grow and look for increasing our membership across the world. Like what I mentioned, we have humanitarian impact in our society, and one of the best example for that, we have some group we call IEEE site, special interesting group in humanitarian technology. This a network of IEEE and non-IEEE volunteers around the globe that partner with local community to leverage technology for sustainable development. We encourage all our IEEE student and IEEE young professional and the professional member to be engaged with their local community. Then they can easily address the problem and try to find the best solution for it to be economical, sustainable, and in the same time, technical solution for this problem. What is sustainable engineering ethics is very important term for us because, like what we mentioned, we're leading the innovation and we are responsible about the safety of our Earth, our Mother Earth. Sustainable ethics is a new discipline that analyzes the issues regarding our moral obligation to the future generation with respect to the environment. The core of ethics, integrity, honor, be responsible, moral value, trust, social cooperation, teamwork, all of this together, we should follow directly the ethics of engineering. And IEEE have now a new division we call IEEE Engineering Ethics. We ethics during innovation time, not after finish the product, because after we finish the innovation, we start the product, we need to face the consequences of this product. But during the the first level of innovation, we can control the damage of the new technology or reduce the danger of it in the environment. What is sustainable engineering? Sustainable engineering includes using methods that minimize environmental damage to provide sufficient food, water, shelter, and mobility for growing world population, designing product and process so that the waste from one are using as input to another. Incorporation environmental and social constraint as well as economic consideration into engineering design and decision, because every decision have consequences and we are responsible about it. Sustainability is the practice of living life in a way that maintain and protect natural resources such as water, air, soil, wetland, and forest. In short term, this confirms that humanity has the ability to make development sustainable, to ensure that it meets the need of the present without compromising the ability of the future generation to meet their own needs, because we live in one place. We don't have another planet. We just have one Earth. You can see this slide. Want to help to build sustainable world? For sure, everyone love to do that, but you can see here sustainable manufacturing, clean power generation, smart cities, clean tech, renewable energy, clean transportation, sustainable food and water solution. If you look for this image, you can imagine how much engineering involved to build the new world, sustainable world. It is our responsibility. We are leading the innovation in the world, because while everyone enjoying what they have, engineering think what is the next. We're building the future of our the future of generation. Therefore, you should be proud you are an engineer. Vision of sustainable development. what is our vision for sustainable society. We have three important element: planet, properties, people. For sure, environmental system need to care about climate change, ecosystem, natural resource, energy, and in the same time, properties, social system, politics, economics, institution, industry, technology, etc. In the same time, we need to care about the quality, improving the quality of life of the people, human system, safe, security, education, health, lifestyle. And if you look for this picture, maybe you can, engineering is not directly connect with one of them, but indirect connect all the three important elements for sustainable. Therefore, we have a huge rules and very visible impact in sustainable society in our innovation as engineers. I love this photo, 2010 to 2020. You can see the first photo, cameraman, helicopter. The second one is just one drone. In just 10 years, both the cameraman and the pilot lose their job. This is, what we call the new technology. But in the same time, technology provides for us a lot of opportunity, job opportunity, but we need to upgrade ourselves to fit this, to fit this job. Therefore, we need to improve our professional skills, soft skills to fit with the need of a new era. After, during COVID-19, and this is the best example to let us know that all of us connected, all the world connected. If what happened in any country maybe affect in another country. COVID-19 happened in China, separate, through the border. Now all the world acting, under COVID-19 pandemic. Without engineering, the world will stop. And I can show you that, the best 10 technology trend during COVID-19 pandemic. During COVID-19 pandemic, technology are playing a crucial role in keeping our society functional in the time of lockdown. And this technology may have long-lasting impact beyond COVID-19. And this is what I am sure from it. We will have more responsibility after this pandemic, because we need to make our society and our world more resilient to face the pandemic and other threats. The COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated 10 key technology trends, including digital payment, telehealth, robotics, drone, remote working, online teaching. A lot of new technology and new technology appear after, during COVID-19. These technologies can help to reduce the spread of coronavirus while helping business stay open, because we need to control coronavirus separate. In the same time, many companies need to open. We need to eat. We need to to learn. Some people need to have class. Some people need to run them business. And as engineering, like what our host mentioned, it is obstacles. It is challenging, but we convert them to become opportunity for us to provide a new solution. Technology can help make society more resilient in the face of pandemic and other threats. One of the important technology it's appear in COVID-19, we call online shopping and robot deliveries. I think everyone use these facilities to order some food, goodies, book, any item. This online shopping it's appeared in 2020. The SARS outbreak lead to a growth of this business in China, and it was business to customer online marketplace platform. And before COVID-19, it is just nice to have online shopping or online website to shopping from it. But during COVID-19, it's changed from nice to have to must to have. Okay, online shopping to reduce the effect of coronavirus and separate of it. Now you can see in every country we use this technology to provide the goodies for the people. Second one, digital and contactless payment. Sorry, as what mentioned in World Health Organization, cash may carry the virus and help to separate the virus, through the people. Therefore, many central bank in United States, China, Europe country, South Korea, they start to focus about online contactless payment and digital payment. And this technology, it is cannot achieve without our engineering innovation. But now we have another challenge, which we call, according to the World Bank statement, that more than 1.7 billion person unbanking people. They don't have bank account. They don't have access for any bank account. Then need to find some solution for these people to make them able to pay them goodies or online shopping through some new technology. 3, remote working. And many companies have asked employees to work from home, during COVID-19 lockdown. And our technology, like including virtual private network, VPN, voice over internet protocol, virtual meeting, cloud technology, work collaboration tool, and even facial recognition technology enable people to meet, to do their work from the home. But in the same time, also we have some drawback we call security. Therefore, we work hard, to improve the information security for all the people. In the same time, maybe because remote working, you don't need the people from the same place. Like, okay, people from US maybe lose their job for the people from Asia, according to the different economic. Therefore, we need to find also best law to control this kind of work. What is the biggest challenging we can face when working remotely? I think as a student, as a professional, everyone using remote working and everyone doing his job or her job from the home, and everyone facing different problems, correct? And according to State of Remote Report 2020, there's some several effect problem, like 20% from the people mentioned the problem is with collaboration and communication. 20% of the people nonetheless because you work at the same place for 6 months. 18% not being able to upload, distraction at home, especially the people have families, kids. You cannot, keep them in the same place, especially if you have long time period of working, being in different time zone than teammate. And this is what I really face because I involved with the global organization. We are a member from different country. We have like maybe 12 hours time zone different between us. Sometimes my meeting it will be at 2 a.m. Like today talk, I need to wake up at 6 a.m. to according to Iraqi time zone to finish my talk. Then I need to go to the governor office to to catch my work at office. Staying motivated, when you are doing the same thing every time, you will feel boring and you lose your motivation. 5, take vacation time. You cannot go outside the home. Finding reliable Wi-Fi, and I think Wi-Fi and electricity, it is really big problem in some countries, undeveloped countries. distance learning, and this is the huge problem we face during the COVID-19 pandemic. As of middle of April, 191 country announced or implemented school or universities closed, impacting 1.57 billion students across the world. They stay at home. They need to take their education, but from home. Therefore, many educational institutes start offering courses online to ensure education was not distributed by lockdown. And to be honest, many of university, many of companies starting offer free online application to help the student to get their their courses and attend their class. In the same time, also this technology have maybe some negative impact, like loneliness, and also stay motivated. But one of the very interesting technology for distance learning is virtual reality. It can be used to enhance student learning and engaging them by creating a virtual world, and allows all the students not only see it but also to be interact with it and make the learning process more interesting. Other technology we call telehealth, and I think everyone have this experience. We scared now to go to the hospital. We scared to go to the clinic. Like me, my older brother, he is doctor. He is surgery ENT specialist. When we have something wrong, he asks us, don't come. After I finish my clinic, I will come to home to check, because no one know who is affected with coronavirus or not, because the symptoms is very difficult to recognize. Therefore, now majority of the people using the telehealth care system, we provide provide a lot of technology to make this easy to use, make dialogues with the doctors, bring group of doctors and connect them with the patient. We have pharmacy now, online pharmacy, online clinic, and you can check this this photo, how much the number of the people using telehealth, online telehealth system from March until April increased 15 times in just 3 months. And everyone also use this technology, online entertainment. There is no outside entertainment. There is no cinema, there is no museum, there is no even animal zoo. Any kind of social entertainment outside is closed. Therefore, we are using new technology for online entertainment, and now like video streaming, video chat communication, music, social network services, multiplayer games, everything become online. Even there is some museum now that you provide some tour for you, virtual tour. Even some holy city doing the same. Everything convert to be online. Therefore, we support and help the people to continue them life, even in the hard time, pandemic time. And this is our responsibility and our duty as an engineering. We are responsible about improving the people's life. Therefore, always be proud you are an engineering. The seventh technology, and this is very important and critical one, we call supply chain. And this is appearing in Industry Revolution 4, robotics, Internet of Things, simulation, cybersecurity, system intelligence, cloud computing, 3D, big data. All of these things is now we're using in during COVID-19 and also after COVID-19, because many factory is closed down. Many like company, restaurant, Everything is closed down. Therefore, we need to find a different supply system to keep the life moving and to keep the people connect with the supplier. And the core technology for the fourth industrial revolution is big data, cloud computing, Internet of Things, and blockchain are building more resilient supply chain management system. And we need to ensure the security of our information and the user information. The 3D printer technology, and I saw there is a lot of example in India. Some student brand, they built like many many equipment, many robotics using the 3D printer to help the people affected by COVID-19. Like what I mentioned in my speech, it is very difficult to send the product now during the lockdown, and also there's a lot of a lot of construction, a lot of rules to send something. Therefore, it is better to use the 3D printing technology to to build your stock and not need to wait it to come for you. A 3D printer also offer the flexibility in a production, and you can do anything you like according to your need, just at home, and just use software code. Robotics and drone technology, and we can we saw it when the COVID-19 started in China. It is really take huge rules in China, Korea, US, Europe. They use robotics to reduce the contact between the people first, the people with the patient, also the doctor with the patient. Now they use it for sending the food, medicine for the patient, cleaning the floor of the hospital. In the same time, we use it for detection. They use it for detection also, like the drone can detect that people have fever and other like the people have fever. And also they use the robotics for delivery options. Then it is a new technology. You need to focus about the robotics and the drone, and need to improve the interaction with this technology and enhance our skills and encourage our students to be involved with this technology. And the last technology is 5G and information and communication technology, ICT, and this is like the 9 technology mentioned above. No one work without reliable and trusted internet. Therefore, it is very interesting and very important area for study. In the end of my presentation, as an engineer, I should told you we are work as a team. Without a team, we cannot achieve a lot, because if we want to see the big impact, we need to use the big image. Because we are all connected together. And this is the end of my presentation. You can find here my personal contact, my email address, and at the same time my contact number. You can, if you have any question, just let me know. And the good thing, if you just start to search about the most demanded job in 2020, you can find more than half of it related with engineering, like software developer, digital specialist, computer system analysis, 3D printer technician, renewable energy, wind energy, smart building. All this job is the most wanted job in 2020. And if you go to the best job with the highest salary, job in 2020. Also, you can find the rank #1 software architect, and also you can find software developer, electrical engineer, Java developer, data scientist, IT security specialist, data engineer. You can see the importance and the impact of engineering in every step in your life. You are the future of humanity. Without engineering, the life, totally different. Totally different. You leading the innovation. You needing the elevation around the world. In the same time, you are the responsible about the quality of the life in the world. Thank you very much for everything and for the invitation, and wish for you the very successful event and happy Engineer Day for everyone. Thank you very much.
The session truly enlightened us, sir. We are grateful to you for giving the time and making this session happen. Thank you, sir.
Most welcome.
I would now like to call upon Dr. Sudhir Vegad, sir, to give the vote of thanks.
रियर कैमरा नहीं था सर आमा करते हैं हम करते हैं
A graceful morning to today's our expert speaker, Dr. Hussain Mahadi from the University of DIYALA, Iraq. Our beloved principal, sir, Dr. Vishal Singh, event coordinator, Professor Manisha Makwana, professors and students of the Institute, and dear participants. It's my privilege to propose vote of thanks speech and acknowledge the contribution of those who have helped to make this event happen. I, Dr. Sudhir Vegad, on behalf of AD Patel Institute of Technology family, extend my most sincere thanks to Almighty for making this event a success. I extend hearty vote of thanks to our today's expert, Dr. Hussain Mahadi, sir, for accepting our invitation within a very short notice and sparing his time with us for an informative session. Thank you, sir. I thank our management, Charutar Vidya Mandal, who is always supportive for the organization of the events, not only for the institute, but the society at large. I'm immensely thankful to our beloved principal, sir, Dr. Vishal Singh, for his initiative, parental advice, and the encouragement for this event. I am very much thankful to the coordinator of the event, Professor Manisha Makwana, for the planning and organization of the event. I extend my special thanks to the volunteer team, which is formed by the students, staff members, and the alumni of the institute to make this event happen. Above all, I would like to thank the participants for giving the time in the celebration of the Engineers Day and an expert talk by Dr. Hussain Mahadi, sir.
Thank you.
At the end, I would like to thank everyone who have directly or indirectly involved and supported this event. Thank you all once again.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your kind words. With this, we come to the end of today's program. Thank you for joining with us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.